Today I'm going to be talking about some train horns that I bought off of Amazon. See that shiny part inside a little bit. See it in the middle? So I'm going to be talking about these train horns from Amazon. So this one I got right here is a normal truck horn. The next one of these that I'm going to buy is going to be like a 2-chime one. Except right now I have a single chime train horn. This truck horn's pretty good air horn, but one chime. I have to get the 2-chime one. But anyway, I'm going to show you what the parts are of this. So, if you don't want to be using the compressor and the wiring that comes in it to blow in your car, a good thing you could do is you could use a bicycle pump, like I have here. And same brand as my bicycle. Anyway, this one does not at all give as much air than its compressor that it comes with for the horn. This does not pump enough air that, the compressor that comes with this horn literally gives off more air than this, but this gives off a lot of air still. But the compressor just does it more, way more. But this is how this is. You can hear it, and look down here. Look, it's gonna go everywhere. See? Look, it's standing still. Now it wobbles around. And what you're also gonna find is you're also inside of your train horn setup, you're gonna find this clear air hose. And to tell you, if you see one that's not this big and way smaller, and it's like that much, it's okay, that's how it comes. Same for me. That's as much as they always give. But why I have all of this stuff is because me and my godfather brought all of this from the store, from Canadian Tire. So I'm just gonna throw it there. And then there's gonna be this little thingy at the bottom, right here. And that could easily screw off. But remember, be careful with this. This is a choking hazard. It has a little screw on the bottom so you can screw it back in and out. And so this part to keep it on your roof so it doesn't slide anywhere. It also comes with these black, not foamy, well, kind of like foamy, but like fabric-y, not fabric, but comes with this stuff so it doesn't scratch your car. And yeah, this part of here, it might be a choking hazard still. And you can take the horn off. It screws back in and out. It screws in and out like that. And yeah. Anyway, let's just first talk about this thing. So, this is the air chamber. And the horn fell on the top of my guitar. Oh well, don't eat it right now, but I'm gonna pick it up and make sure there's no damage. No damage. Perfectly fine. And just throw this down there. Say bye-bye until it's time to see you. Or I'll say Bye-bye, Horde. See you later. Anyway, now we just got this. This is the air chamber. And what this does is when the air comes through this hose and goes into this part, there's an air chamber. And the air goes through that little thingy right here into this chamber, and there is there's some aluminum foil in here. See that little shiny thing in there? I'll show you. I need light. I just saw it. See that? I don't know what that is. That might be aluminum foil or that might be just metal. Actually, it's probably just aluminum foil. The back part probably has a spring. The back part might have a spring, but I don't know. And what happens is when the air goes through here, well, first of all, that aluminum looking thing is called a diaphragm. And when the air touches it, it vibrates in there, which makes a high-pitched sound. Kind of like when you whistle. Except way higher. Kind of like a train whistle. And yeah, that's how that happens. And it's kind of like a very high-pitched train whistle. And then what this part does, this part gives it a way different sound. So first of all, the longer and bigger this part is, the lower the pitch is. And the bigger this is, well, there's nothing to do with how bigger it is, but, well, yeah. Well, and this part the second part this does is this amplifies it, which just means it makes it louder. And the last part, this is the third one, is that it just makes it go in one direction. And there's 3 names for this. One of the names for this is a horn, like everyone knows. And the 2 other ones are a little crazy, don't sound like it. Second name for this is a chime. And now the last one is terrible. The last name for this, which is the third one, is a bell. But at least it looks like a bell, doesn't it? It sounds like one when I cling it. Can you hear it? And yeah, that's kind of how it works. Can easily screw it back on. And there's another choking hazard. There is nuts and bolts. Or is there bolts? But I think there's lots of nuts and screws. Yeah, there's nuts and screws that come in the set. But yeah. How do I get this on? But anyway, I'm going to show you what actually is in the air chamber. So, I have 2 air horns. This flammable one and this rechargeable one. I'm going to show it in the rechargeable one because this just came apart before. You can hear that. Look, on the back part, it has a spring. I don't think that's in this air chamber. I don't know, but I don't think so. And then in here, has aluminum foil. That is the diaphragm. Very fragile. This came apart before, so yeah. Bye.